Hello friends, welcome to Healthy Kadai. Today we are making a traditional recipe from the land of Himachal Pradesh called Sepu Vadi Ka Madra. Sepu Vadi is made using dal and is nowadays very commonly available in the market. Today I will share a very simple way to make Sepu Vadi gravy, which is called as Sepu Vadi Ka Madra. And the best part is that we will not be using tomatoes, onions, garlic or ginger. So friends, let's head over to the recipe and see how to make it. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Kadai and click on the bell icon so that you get regular updates of our new recipes. So these are Sepu Vadi. As you can see, it is quite hard. You can even make it at home, or these are also available in market. So these vadis are made up of black gram dal or maki dal. So let's head over to my kitchen and see how to make these Sepu Vadi Madra. Firstly, in a kadai, we'll heat 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil. Into this, we'll shallow fry our Sepu Vadis. You can also deep fry it, but we'll be shallow frying it in little oil. One needs to fry it for at least 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. After these are done, then we'll add our spices. Into this goes turmeric powder or haldi along with 1 to 2 pieces of green cardamom, cloves, cinnamon stick, red chili powder, asafoetida or hing, salt as per taste, and then we need to fry these spices along with vadi. So you will see that all these spices will coat the vadi well. And then after that we'll add 1 cup full of water in it. So we'll cover the kadhai with a plate and we'll allow it to cook for at least 10 minutes on medium flame. Here you can see the quantity of water has reduced and the vadis have also turned soft. Now we'll add 1 cup full of curd into it. This is homemade dahi. Today we are not making this gravy using onion and tomato. We'll just be using curd to prepare vadi ka madra. Now you can see that the gravy has thickened up. Into this we'll add little more water to it. Depending upon how you want your madra to be, you can make it little thinner, thicker as per your taste. So we'll cook for some more time and now it's ready to serve. One can serve this with roti, rice. It tastes really yummy. This gravy vegetable takes no time to prepare. It is very quick. And finally, we'll garnish it with tempering. Here it goes, and just add few coriander leaves for final garnish. And our Sepu Vadi Ka Madra is ready to serve. It's really tasty, really delicious. Do give it a try. I'm sure you will like it. I hope friends you liked watching today's video. Do give us a thumbs up, share our videos with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Kadai to watch more such healthy and interesting recipes. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.